Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you struggling with poor Wi-Fi coverage? In this video, I'll explain how to connect the Aimery AX3000 Wi-Fi extender to your router using the WPS button. Follow this step-by-step tutorial to improve your internet coverage and enjoy a more stable connection. I'll walk you through the complete WPS setup process and show you how to connect the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network quickly and easily. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the extender into a wall outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. Do not place the extender far away from the router during the setup process.
Now look at your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The button may be labeled as WPS, WPS/reset, or have a two circular arrows icon. Press the WPS button on the router once. After pressing it, the WPS light on the router will start blinking, which means the router is ready to connect new devices.
Now within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS/reset button on the Aimery AX3000 extender. Some Aimery models require you to press and hold the recessed WPS/reset button for about 3 seconds using a paperclip or pin. Allow 1 to 3 minutes for pairing. A successful setup is usually indicated when the WPS LED becomes solid. The WLAN/signal LED remains solid. Once pairing is complete, unplug the extender. Move it halfway between your router or the room with weak or no Wi-Fi. Now the step is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.